We're here live at ISC West. I'm with Bob McKee. He is the president of Suprema. We've been partnering recently. Bob, I'm really curious, what sort of added value do you see of the partnership with essentry today?
I think probably most of the customers that we engage with are always looking for a unified solution. And part of that unified solution is being able to tie subsystems that are used at those facilities all together and operate together. So the utilization of the same ID or the identification of an individual, that identity is being used at a turnstile that we may have. It's used at an access control, a doorway. It can be used in all these different areas. And I think that what essentry brings to the table is that one key important subsystem that is utilized is visitor management. And what I have found, I don't know if people know the story about essentry and myself. 3 years ago, I had a conversation with Dennis, founder of the essentry system, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to us to explore a partnership. And the reason for that was we kept getting requests for visitor management, and he came along and it fits. And the reason why it fits is because of the flexibility of essentry. Having the opportunity to have a high degree of vetting process or basically an ease pass-through was perfect in what I would be looking for. And so actually the exploration of the partnership started in Europe. And actually was vetted in Europe, which was great. I'm considered the head of the North American division. There was another gentleman out of our Paris office that was the head of Europe, and he went ahead and tested and vetted it and then actually said, it's good. So I'm happy. I'm absolutely happy.
As it should be. No, it's super exciting working together. I'm curious, where do you see the future of the partnership going?
I think it will extend. Knowing where the environment that we play in, how it's changing. The landscape is actually changing right now. So I'd see a closer stitch between us and how we can essentially capitalize off of this unification or integration that we have with you. Even at this show floor, having the ability for someone to get validated and at a particular location, not my location, somewhere else, and come here and they've been verified and be able to use in a network environment the same credential or same face that they used over there. That's showing use case, right? That's what people are experiencing right now, and we can actually show and demonstrate that with essentry with this.
Absolutely. Last, Bob, takeaways from ISC West 2026?
Whew. This has been a really busy show for us. We had a great show last year. We're exceeding show expectations this year, but I think that people are starting to understand that face truly is what's going to happen in the future. We're seeing all the signs occur. Every single partner that we have that's, let's say, in the data center realm that use a lot of our fingerprint technology are asking the questions about the use of face. The consumer has now been educated. They love the fact that on their phone they can use their face to verify I am who I am and I want access to my phone. It's so simple. You want the same process to occur where they go into their facility. Same process. It's just going to get bigger and bigger. So we're excited. We're just,
absolutely.
Yeah, this is great.